Should you trade futures with Ironbeam Futures? Let's find out. So Ironbeam is a US-based futures broker and futures commission merchant offering direct CME group clearing. Their proprietary platform supports desktop, web, and mobile trading featuring over 300 built-in indicators, custom order strategies, and free level 2 market data. Day trading margins start at $50 for micro contracts and $10 for nano contracts with no account minimums. Customer service is a standout with 24/5 live support and high praise from traders for responsiveness and professionalism. However, some users report platform glitches such as connection timeouts and note that funding via ACH can take up to 5 days. Additionally, while Ironbeam offers competitive margins, some traders find them less aggressive compared to other brokers. In summary, Ironbeam provides a robust platform with strong customer support, making it a solid choice for futures trader. However, potential users should consider the reported platform issues and funding delays when making their decision.